Good morning from MasterTrust and welcome to Friday's trading session at Dalal Street, dated the 3rd of October 2025. The US Dow Jones increased 0.17%, settling the day at 46,520.15, while the Nasdaq ended the session at 22,844.05, increasing 0.39%. In the Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 45,655 and Hang Seng is trading at 27,221. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 24,947, indicating a start in the red for the Indian market. FII sold 1,605.20 crore in the cash market, while DII bought 2,916.14 crore in the last trading session. Government widens Swadeshi push with eye on promoting Indian products across categories. Centre receives 1.15 lakh crore worth investment proposals for electronics component manufacturing scheme. Now talking about global aspects, US ADP non-farm payroll fell by 32K, sharply missing the 52K forecast and deeper than the prior 3K drop. US ISM manufacturing PMI rose to 49.1, slightly above expectations of 49.0 and prior 48.7. WTI fell 2.1% to $60.48 a barrel, and Brent fell 1.9% to $64.11 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 97.62. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 0.10%, up. Here is a recap of Wednesday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices ended an 8-session losing streak, supported by the RBI's decision to maintain the policy repo rate at 5.5% and revise key macro forecasts. The central bank raised the FY26 GDP growth outlook to 6.8% from 6.5% and lowered the inflation projection to 2.6% from 3.1%, providing positive market sentiment. Traders largely ignored concerns over a potential US government shutdown. Outlook for today: Nifty snapped an 8-session losing streak, forming a bullish daily candle, but continues to trade below the 21-day and 55-day EMAs, signaling lingering weakness. Immediate support is placed at 24,600, with a breach potentially dragging the index toward 24,400, while resistance is seen at 25,000. Despite near-term volatility, the technical outlook has turned cautiously bullish, suggesting traders may consider buying on dips while monitoring key support and resistance levels for trend confirmation. Bank Nifty closed positive for the third consecutive session, supported by the RBI MPC decision to maintain rates. The index reclaimed the 55,000 level and both the 21-day and 55-day EMAs, with buying observed in heavyweight banking stocks. Immediate support is at 55,000, with a breach possibly opening a decline toward 54,700. On the upside, resistance lies at 55,600, and a break above could trigger a rally toward 56,000. A buy on dips approach is recommended for traders. Stocks on the radar: bullish view, Shriram Fin, KPIT Tech, PEL, OFSS, Coforge. Bearish view, Hind Petro, Delhivery, Cummins, Havells, Ultrasemco. Trade of the day is bullish on Laurus Labs, buy at 872, stop loss 850. Target 90, rationale, bullish momentum. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purposes. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.